Many students come to me and they're really excited and they really want to work in the creative industries, whether that's film, theatre, music. Then they don't know what the next step is. How do you become a musician? How do I get to work in film and television studies?
I'm the Partnership Manager in the School of Culture and Creative Arts, and it's a project that is very rich across the whole of our school, and it touches all of our subjects: cultural industries, film and television studies, history of art, music and theatre studies. We've been trialling a showcase, and that's an opportunity for students who've created work on their courses and programmes to show those and celebrate them, to bring our community of students together and to showcase to external partners what actually goes on within the walls at the University of Glasgow.
I was a film and TV student in my undergrad here. I was doing an academic filmmaking module in my third year. I had a couple of my academic films shown at the Future Creatives showcases, and I was really nervous because it was the first time I'd ever made something, but I thought, like, okay, let's just do it. I think it was really helpful and has been helpful since is talking about this in my work interviews and things like that. So whenever an opportunity has come up, I found that there's actually a lot of skills that I can refer back to.
We've kind of collaborated with students on making a film about music broth, the music instrument library. It was a really valuable experience both for students but also for people who are involved in these community organisations. It was really nice to be able to bring in the more theoretical academic perspective that the students were bringing, but also the actual day-to-day that maybe we as volunteers knew a bit better. What came out of it was both a film, but also students were helping to repair instruments and learning a lot of practical skills for the organisation. Like for Music Broths, it's also a nice way to know how to reach out to universities and kind of bridge the gap between community and the academic world.
In terms of what this project offers, giving students access to real-world experience through their courses and programmes. One of those projects is our applied dissertation model, which is a partnership with the organisation GMAT to work alongside local grassroots community organisations in the city, and then they get this opportunity to co-create and co-design films with those community partners. The learning that is involved in that is very hands-on and practical. That course has been available and open to final year students in our undergraduate programmes across the school. It's of particular interest to students in film and television studies, but it is open and available to students in other subject areas. We also run a postgraduate course that's a partnership project with the Citizens Theatre. Some students get the opportunity to continue on and do a full work placement after they finish the actual course, so that gives students even more access to that real-world experience.
The important thing that we can offer them is an insight into what the first step might be, and we can give them opportunities. They're going to meet people, they're going to grow a career, they're going to have opportunities to, in a real world way, to connect with people who are musicians, who are artists, who do make film and television programmes, and who can give them real insights as to what a successful career within the creative industries could actually look like.